In this video, I will show you how to use the countdown timer in your WhatsApp status. First, launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now, tap on the updates option. From here, you want to tap on this plus icon to add a status. Now, tap on the camera icon to create a new status, then select or capture the photo or video that you want to post. Once your media is open in editor, swipe up, then tap on this sticker icon. Now you want to look for the countdown sticker and tap on it. If you do not find the countdown sticker here, then make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Once you have found the countdown sticker, go ahead and select that. Then enter a name for your event, choose date and time, then save the countdown. You can move, resize, or rotate the countdown sticker on your status before posting it. Once you're ready, you can simply tap on this arrow icon to send your status. That's how you can use the WhatsApp countdown timer status. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.